Hi, hello, hey. Welcome back to the channel. Happy Thursday. Hi. So today is another day in the garage. The plan today is for my dad to come over, for us to get the new brake pads on the bike, and to also mount the rear tire. I am going to divide this video into two videos, so that means today you'll see us put on the rear brake pads and prep things to get that rear tire on, and next week you will see us putting that rear tire on. And after that, hopefully a couple of test rides. So that's the plan today. So yeah, let's get into it.
You want to try and maybe brush that all out, clean it up a bit? There is a boot around that piston that we do not want to damage. Goes right to the back.
Where's that?
I'll go this way. Yeah. Okay, we got it.
Was it an Allen key?
I bet you we can. I don't think we put it in very tight. So take this pin out for me.
Okay. Okay.
Put it through that hole. This hook in here. Okay, those are in. You gotta get the rotor between those two. You have the adjuster on this one? Yeah. Do we have two nuts here? And just put the nuts there so that they don't fall off on us every time we move it around.
Okay.
This, maybe we can clean this rotor up, shine it up a little bit. We should clean it up and give it a grease because it's difficult. They seize up kind of in here and we have to hammer the crap out of it.
Okay.
So, but we got to remember that this thicker spacer goes to the right.
Okay.
take a wire wheel on this.
Okay.
So remember, this is the thick end, which was there. See how tight this is? I had to bash it out to get it. So I wonder if we can clean in here, maybe. Well, once we push this through, we can't get this in to slide. The shaft has to come through.
Okay.
They might be stuck banging it in. Okay, take a little emery and just slide it around here. See those shiny spots?
Yeah.
Those little spots here, they're kind of shiny.
Okay.
So that must mean that they're little high spots along here. So it must have little dimples in it to make it slide. Give it a bit more with the emery. I'm going to make sure it slides through all this garbage. Yeah. I don't know why we'll get it through. I like it just to nicely flow through.
Should I do this thing on there?
A little bit in there. Okay, good. Maybe this one is the one catching a little bit. Let's see where that spacer goes, right?
Yeah. Oh wait, where does this one? Oh, okay, yeah.